Hi, in this video, let's see how to make white rice in Instant Pot. So I keep getting a lot of requests about how to make rice, questions about what is the water to rice ratio and why does the rice stick to the bottom. I thought I'll make a short video about how to make rice, two different types with Sona Masoori as well as Basmati rice. This is Sandhya and welcome to my channel. In the first part, I want to show you how to make Sona Masoori rice. This is Sona Masoori rice. It's Godavari brand and you typically get this in 20-pound bags. These are usually found in either Indian stores or any Indo-Pak stores. So you can get it easily. You can use any brand of Sona Masoori rice. This is Sona Masoori rice. It's not long as Basmati. So I'll be showing you how to cook 1 cup of rice. So take 1 full cup of rice and add it to your inner pot. Now I'm gonna clean this. Lot of people ask me if we have to soak rice ahead, and for Sona Masoori rice you don't have to soak the rice ahead. So if you have a strainer, it's good. If not, just use your palm to filter the water and rice. And clean the rice until you see clear water. And I've drained all the water now. I'm gonna add around 2 cups of water. That's 1 cup. And the second. Just make sure you clean the sides. Make sure there is no moisture in the bottom. Place the liner in the Instant Pot. Close the lid. Turn on pressure cook. In older models it will be manual, and set it to 4 minutes and make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. So now it's turned on. I'll let the pressure release naturally and then we'll take a look at it. So I have let this naturally pressure release and you can notice the valve being down. Now I can open the lid. And you can see how perfectly the rice is done, and I'll show you, and you can notice rice is not stuck at the bottom. Can you see that? And this is how perfectly rice will be done. And you can eat this with any sauteed vegetables or curry. And after, you can also add some vegetables and make this a vegetable fried rice. Now I'm going to show you how to make basmati rice. You can find basmati rice in Sam's or Costco or any Indian or Indo-Pak stores. Just take 1 cup of basmati rice and add it to your inner liner. So first, again, we are going to clean basmati rice. Rinse them well. For 1 cup of basmati rice, you will need 1 cup of water. Just make sure none of the rice is sticking to the sides. Make sure you don't have any moisture. Place your inner pot. Close the lid. Turn on pressure cook. In some models, you can find it as manual. And make sure you set it to 6 minutes and make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. and I'm gonna let it naturally pressure release, and it'll take around 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes and the valve is down. Now I'm gonna open the lid. And you can notice that the rice is perfectly done. And you can see the grains separate from each other, and you can also notice nothing is sticking to the bottom. You see that? Right there. So this is a perfect basmati rice. You can eat this with veggies, curry. Basmati rice is very aromatic. See that? You can always experiment with the water ratios. If you want it a little lumpy, you can add more water. If you want it more grainy, add less water and decrease the amount of time. But this is perfect for eating with sauteed veggies or with any curries. I hope with this video you'll be able to make foolproof white rice recipe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated on the latest recipes. Thanks for watching.